Lesson 1.2 Absolute Value Equations. So before beginning the main topic, so we need to define what absolute value means. So absolute value means distance from 0. Okay, one example. On the number line, we just put 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. We can say 1 is 1 unit away from the 0. At the same time, negative also 1 unit away from the 0. And then 2 is 2 unit from the 0. At the same time, negative 2 also 2 unit from the 0. 3 is 3 unit from the 0. Same way, negative 3 also 3 unit from the 0. Like this, absolute value means we only care about the distance here. Therefore, negative 2, which means positive 2, which means 2. So then how can we interpret this concept? Both negative 2 and positive 2, they are 2 units from the 0. That's what this means. Therefore, we never write negative value for absolute value. As you see, you measure the distance. We care about the direction. It can be east side, west side, or north and south. But we never say, oh, so negative 5 maybe kilometer or negative 10 kilometer. We never say that. So distance value always from the positive. That's the key point here. So based on this, we can begin the main topic. So the first question is absolute x equal to 5. Then how to interpret this meaning? I really hope you understand what this means. What this 5 representing. This 5 represent distance from the 0, basically. So now, another word, this x is 5 units from 0. What are those values? So, we know x can be either plus 5 or minus 5. So as you see, plus 5 and minus 5, they both are 5 units from the 0. So in this case, x equal to 5 or negative 5. Okay? Now, the second question here, absolute y equal to negative 6. What does this mean? So, any y value which is negative 6 units from the 0. So right before, we just confirmed that distance cannot be negative value. We always put as a positive value. If directions are opposite or different, then we can indicate it like right side or left side like that. But we never put negative value. Therefore, this case, no answer. Because we cannot solve it. Okay? Then what about this question then? Absolute x minus 4 equal to 9. Yes, we need to isolate absolute value alone, and then we solve the problem. So we need to remove minus 4, so we combine 4 on the both sides, then this becomes absolute x equal to 13. It means any x value is 13 unit away from the 0, so we know x can be 13 or negative 13. Okay? Then let's start covering a little bit harder questions, such as absolute 3x minus 4 equal to 8. Please remember, this whole meaning is absolute value, which is a unit away. So, what x value can be a units away from the 0? Yes, it can be a or negative 8. It means this value must be 8 or negative 8. If any x value satisfied a or negative 8, then those are a unit from the 0. Okay? So from here, we solve that problem. So plus 4, then 3x equal to 12, and divide by 3, then x equal to 4, or you combine 4 from here, then 3x equal to negative 4, and divide by 3, then x equal to negative 4 over 3. Yeah, unlike those questions, because it has many different expressions, we don't have exactly same value with the opposite sign. Okay? It's based on the equation expression. Okay? Then another question. Absolute 2x minus 1 minus 8 equal to 11. Yes, before we isolate absolute box value alone, so we just combine 8 at the same time, then absolute 2x minus 1 equal to 19. It means 2x minus 1 can be 19, or 2x minus 1 become negative 19 basically. So let's solve it. So plus 1, then 2x equal to 20 divided by 2, so x equals 10, or combine 1, then 2x equal to negative 18, and divide by 2, then x equal to negative 9. So those two are answer for the question.